So this is the world's first all-inclusive marine ecosystem aquarium, and it comes with everything you need. So one of the reasons why you can have an established marine ecosystem on day one is because we aquaculture the sand. We obviously get aquacultured fish and sustainably sourced corals and invertebrate crew. And the bioballs in the back of the aquarium are aquacultured as well. So day one, you've got the beneficial bacteria balance. There's still cycles as your ecosystem matures. The hardware is top quality. You've got automatic feeder, which feeds at 12 o'clock every day. You've got a light that's programmed. It changes color during the day. It changes the mood of the tank. You've got an auto top off in your cabinet, which is all automated. And of course you've got your heater as well. So they're the main hardware components. There's no major filtration. We've got rid of the tech. We're relying on natural ecosystem processes to filter the water, including we've got macroalgae here in a refugium. So that draws nutrients out of the water, and combine that with a real balanced feeding regime of only 10 or 20 pellets once a day. It's all balanced out. The fish eat the food, the hermit crabs, the snails, the bacteria, the worms take up those nutrients, and the algae. In the back here, we've also got a filtration chamber, which I was saying it doesn't have a filter, but it does have carbon that you replace every couple of months. And the rest of the baskets are just filled up with bioballs that grow bacteria, so you don't clean them. But we don't actually have like a pad or a mechanical filter that you need to clean. There's certainly no protein skimmers or chillers or anything complex, because these species are hardy. They actually don't mind a little bit of nutrients. In fact, they like it. They're soft corals, they're very hardy. So, and that's why we can create such a beautiful product so easy. With the drawer, the maintenance, your weekly, your monthly and your quarterly maintenance is super easy. Your water change, it comes with your maintenance kit, and this technology alone is worth its weight in everything. You've got everything you need to be supported with this product is on our support hub. Jump on there and take a look. There's about 40 videos. They're like 90 seconds each because it's just easy to follow. And we've been able to do that because we've locked down this system to exactly what you saw. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed the video.